Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of TeamViewer in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. TeamViewer is a remote access and remote control computer software, allowing maintenance of computers and other devices. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for TeamViewer. Download in your preferred search engine. Go to the download link of TeamViewer and look for the Linux version. Choose your Linux distribution and click on the download link. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the terminal and go to the downloads folder using cd command. Use the ls command to check the downloaded package. Enter the installation command sudo dpkg -i package name. Provide your password and press enter. TeamViewer is installed successfully. To check the installation is successful, type the command TeamViewer -- version and press enter. The installed version of TeamViewer will be displayed. To open TeamViewer, go to menu and search for TeamViewer and click the TeamViewer menu.